Investing in cryptocurrencies has become an exciting but challenging prospect, with thousands of coins on the market and countless promising projects emerging daily. So how you can pick a crypto that stands a chance to grow instead of fizzling out? It's not just about hype or getting in early. It's about finding real value and utility. Let's dive into a few fundamental principles to help you make more informed choices and avoid common pitfalls. Before we jump in, make sure you're subscribed to this channel for more tips on navigating the crypto world as we explore some of the most promising projects and trends on the market. First of all, selecting a cryptocurrency with real growth potential means looking beyond price trends. It requires examining the project's foundation, its purpose, and the team behind it. Here are 5 key criteria to guide you in finding promising crypto projects. One of the first questions to ask is, what problem does this crypto solve? A strong project addresses a genuine issue, ideally one that is not yet adequately served by existing projects. The crypto landscape is full of coins with similar functions or vague promises. But obviously, the best projects offer unique utility, a real solution to a pressing problem. So just look for tokens that go beyond basic transactions or decentralized finance applications. For instance, a crypto project that aims to simplify cross-border payments, enable secure digital identity verification, or improve data privacy has much more potential than a coin that simply promises fast transactions without any distinct use cases. A project with real utility stands out, especially in niches with little to no competition. The crypto market rewards originality and projects that fulfill an unserved need. The more unique and practical the utility, the greater the likelihood that the project will gain user adoption, community support, and long-term viability. In a market where scams and rug pulls are common, knowing the people behind the project is essential. Projects with anonymous teams or developers often raise red flags, as it's harder to hold them accountable. A trustworthy crypto project typically has a transparent team with profiles that detail their backgrounds, their qualifications, and past accomplishments. You should be able to find information about the founders, developers, and advisors without difficulty. Transparency in the team's history also shows a commitment to the project's long-term vision. Look for teams with experience in both blockchain technology and the problem domain they are addressing. For example, if a project is aimed at improving healthcare data management, it's a good sign if team members have relevant experience in healthcare or data science. A credible team not only boosts investor confidence, but also signals that the project has the expertise required to execute its vision effectively. When looking for promising investments, pay attention to a project market capitalization. While high market capitalization cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum tend to be safer bets, their growth potential is limited compared to smaller ones. So focus on low market capitalization projects that are still in the early stages and ideally undervalued by the market. Generally, low market capitalization is the capitalization under $1 billion that you can check on MarketCoin.cap. So these projects offer greater potential for growth, provided they have strong fundamentals. Finding a promising low-cap coin requires research. So look for projects that haven't yet gained mainstream attention but have the technology, team, and vision to make an impact. Smaller projects can experience exponential growth when they become more widely recognized. However, remember that the risk is also higher, so always balance potential rewards with caution and research. Another crucial factor in assessing a crypto project is the quality of its partnerships and investors. When a project has partnerships with well-known companies, it shows that the project has garnered trust from established entities. Partnerships can also provide valuable resources, technical support, and industry connections that will help projects succeed. The same goes for investors. If a project has received funding from reputable venture capitalists, institutional investors, or influential crypto funds, it suggests that the project has passed certain standards of credibility and potential. Projects backed by well-known investors are more likely to be legitimate and have strong future prospects. However, beware of projects that falsely claim to have big-name partners. Always verify these claims on the partners' official websites or through credible news resources. Some examples of crypto projects that fulfill these criteria include Chainlink, Polkadot, and Vechain. Each of these projects brings unique utility, addresses a real-world problem, and has secured partnerships or support from major players. Chainlink, a decentralized Oracle network that solves the issue of bringing real-world data onto blockchain, which is crucial for smart contracts. It has formed partnerships with Google Cloud, Oracle, and numerous DeFi platforms. Polkadot, created by one of Ethereum's co-founders, Polkadot is designed to connect different blockchains, enabling them to operate together and share the data. It has backing from well-known investors and partnerships that make it one of the most promising interoperability projects. And finally, Vechain, a blockchain platform focusing on supply chain and logistics. Vechain has partnered with companies like BMW, Pricewaterhouse, and DNVGL to improve transparency and efficiency in various industries. Each of these projects solves a distinct problem, has real utility, a transport teams, reputable partnerships, and was undervalued at an early stage. These elements have allowed them to grow significantly and become some of the most influential projects in this space. Now it's time to conclude. Investing in crypto can be extremely rewarding, but it requires careful research and a profound work. Don't get lured in by hype or promises of quick returns. Instead, look for projects that offer real utility and led by transport teams are still undervalued and have credible partnerships and investors backing them. By focusing on these core principles, you will be better equipped to identify projects with the real potential for growth. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into crypto investing. We'll continue to explore promising projects, trends, and strategies to help you navigate this rapidly evolving space confidently. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.